First thing first, you want to wash your client's hair with shampoo and conditioner. And for this style, I'm not going to dry her hair with hand dryer. I'm just going to use towel to just clean up excess water that is dropping. Now I'm using a comb to just detangle her hair, and I'm starting from the tip of her hair to start combing to the bottom of the hair or the root of the hair, just so that she won't feel much pains while I'm combing the hair. Because her hair is natural and also it's a 4C, very thick 4C. For this style, the only product I'm going to use is styling mousse, and the styling mousse I'm combining two different styling mousse. The regular one they sell in the market, that is 1,100. There used to be 750 before, that is now 1,000 something. And this one, and also I'm going to be using shine and jam for the edges and just to gather up every little hairs around it. So I'm going to be using the shine and jam as well, and also for the front part just to slick the edges, because I do not want to really touch the edges while I'm braiding. To slick it down, I'm going to use shine and jam. So that's the only product I'm going to be using. And then to keep it moist, I will still be using water. I'll be spraying water. Have like a spray bottle that I'll just use spray bottle and water inside that I use to just spray around, just so that the hair will still be moist, because you want to work with a moist hair. You do not want to work with a dry hair. Next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know. Okay, because her hair is really full from the bottom, first I like to cornrow the bottom, that's the root first, before I start to coil it with a small comb. So for twisting or for coiling, I'm just using this small comb to just coil like so. This is what I'm doing. I'm just rolling the comb. Like if I grab the hair with the comb, we'll just start rolling it. As I'm rolling it, I'm also pushing the comb backwards a little bit so that I can continue to roll until I get to the tip. Hope you guys understand what I mean. For this style, I'm starting from the back and I'm walking in section. Walking in section is very good. Okay, it helps in walking faster and also allow you to walk neater. You always want to section the hair, especially when it's natural. You want to section the hair in lines. When you have like a big head, something like this head right now, this one is so full, so you want to walk in lines so that it won't take the whole day to make. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just walking in lines. And yeah, hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for always tuning in. Hope everyone is fine, hope we're healthy, we're staying safe. First time, just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up, share the video to friends and family. I also like to know what you think about this hairstyle. This style basically can be done just on natural hair, and it's painless. According to my client, I asked her, she said it's painless. So please let me know in the comment section if you will try this look or try this hairstyle. At this point, we just allow you to just watch so that you get a better view, better understanding of the whole process. And yeah,
stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa, next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost.
Thank you so much for watching the video from beginning to the end. Hope it's helpful, hope you enjoyed, hope you like the video. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to subscribe, share the video to friends and family, give the video a big thumbs up. We'll talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.